Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it and let's change the photo mode to the video mode. You have to simply tap on the video, and if you can see the red dot under the video and also the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're in the right mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar here. We have to unroll it, and we can do it just by tapping on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner. The first row is connected with the resolution and the second row with frames per second, and usually it is correlated with the resolution. So basically we've got 4 different options to choose from. Currently we've got 1080p option applied. We can pick 720p, 4K or 8K, and we can change the frames per second accordingly. So let me pick, for example, 8K. As you can see, after tapping on it, it is immediately highlighted, and you can see that we've got 24 frames per second. We cannot pick any other option, and since it is highlighted, it simply means that it has been applied, which means that after getting back to the camera, you will be able to record the videos in 8K right away. Of course, you can change it to whichever resolution you want to. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.